Welcome to Cargo Express by Cargo Insights. Let's dive into the latest insights from the logistics world. Cargo NXT hosted the West India edition of the Logistics and SCM Summit 2026 on May 7, 2026 at the Lalit, Mumbai. The summit brought together senior industry leaders, policymakers and practitioners from across India's logistics and supply chain ecosystem. Centered around the bold theme, powering the next wave of Viksit Bharat, Elevate, Connect and Collaborate. Queen Plus Nagal has opened a temperature-controlled air freight cross-dock facility in Hyderabad, India, expanding its healthcare logistics network in response to growing demand for specialized pharmaceutical and medical shipment solutions. Bangalore International Airport Limited (BIAL) has launched an integrated smart airside safety system at Kempegowda International Airport, Bengaluru (BLR) Airport, targeting safer and more efficient management of cross-service roads (CSRs), where aircraft and ground vehicle movements intersect. Code Next, one of India's fastest growing supply chain traceability and automation providers, has expanded its warehouse mobility offering with a range of mobile scanning tablet solutions designed to improve inventory visibility and data capture in high movement environments. Celsius Logistics has partnered with Autobock India, the Indian subsidiary of German medical technology firm Autobock, to establish a dedicated prosthetics warehouse and logistics distribution hub in Thane. Union Minister for Road, Transport and Highways Nitin Gadkari has inaugurated a multi-lane free flow (MLFF) barrier-less tolling system at the Munka Bakarwala Toll Plaza on Urban Extension Road 2 in Delhi. The system is India's second MLFF installation, following the Choriasi Toll Plaza on the Surat-Bharuch section of NH48 in Gujarat, which went live on May 1, 2026. Crown Worldwide Group has inaugurated a new facility in Coimbatore, India, situated on a 4.5-acre site and designed to support integrated storage and information management solutions. The facility opens with a Phase 1 capacity of over 468,000 standard carton equivalents (SCE), with plans to expand to 720,000 SCE in Phase 2 through an additional 45,000 square feet. Credent Connect Encare Limited, a B2B healthcare logistics provider specializing in temperature-controlled sample transportation, has crossed 200 crore rupees in revenue for the financial year 2025-26, while maintaining profitability and sustaining an approximate 40% compound annual growth rate. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will pay an official visit to the United Arab Emirates on May 15, 2026, where he will meet UAE President His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan. The two leaders will exchange views on bilateral issues with a particular focus on energy cooperation, regional and international matters of mutual interest, and ways to advance the bilateral comprehensive strategic partnership. Prime Minister Narendra Modi appealed to Indian citizens to conserve fuel, use public transport, revive work-from-home practices, and avoid non-essential imports and overseas travel to protect the country's foreign exchange reserves amid the global economic disruption triggered by the ongoing war in West Asia. The Air Cargo Agents Association of India Bangalore region hosted a successful regional meeting and trade get-together on the evening of May 8, 2026 at the prestigious Boring Institute, Bangalore. Zebra Technologies has announced an expanded channel strategy targeting India's micro, small and medium enterprise MSME segment, with a focus on the manufacturing and retail sectors. FedEx and UPS have installed fuel surcharge rate increases and levied new shipping fees this month, adjustments that will impact a wide range of customers' international shipments traveling to and from the United States. Coalstar Logistics, India's leading temperature-controlled supply chain solutions provider, has recorded a 7-fold increase in its workforce over the past 3 years, growing from just over 400 employees in financial year 22 to more than 3,000 in financial year 25. Union Minister of Commerce and Industry, Shri Piyush Goyal, addressed the Confederation of Indian Industry Annual Business Summit in New Delhi on May 12, 2026, declaring that India is on course to achieve an all-time high export figure of nearly $863 billion this year. The Ministry of Heavy Industries, MHI, organized a national conference on enabling nationwide EV charging infrastructure under PM E-Drive scheme in Bengaluru on May 12, 2026. The World Trade Centers Association concluded its 56th annual Global Business Forum in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania from April 19 to 22, 2026, marking the event's return to the United States after nearly a decade. Thanks for watching Cargo Express. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.